Hello learners, I hope you are enjoying conic section and conic section in previous class you have seen that how important it is and what is the application of conic section, what is the definition of conic section, what is parabola. I hope you have gone through the concept of all these specific items related to conic section. Today we are going to discuss another aspect that how on the, as I have already discussed, that if you are writing PS upon PM, you recall the figure of previous lecture where you have written PS upon PM is equal to a small e means eccentricity, and here we are going to see that if E is equal to 1, if E is equal to 1, if E is less than 1, E is greater than 1. Here E is equal to 1, E is less than 1, and E is greater than 1. Means we are discussing about trichotomy concept. Trichotomy concept means if there are two, digit or two things, suppose here is PS and PM. So there are three concepts that may exist. Either this is its ratio is equal to 1, its ratio is greater than 1, or its ratio is less than 1. So you see here, if its ratio is equal to 1, then this is parabola. I hope it is clear. If here you are putting PS upon PM is equal to 1, means PS and PM both are identical. So this will be cancelled. PS upon PS or PM upon PM, it will give you 1. So if E is equal to 1, then this is what? This is parabola. If it is less than 1, less than 1 means PS is smaller and PM is greater. PS is smaller and PM is greater. So after division, you can get lesser quantity than 1. So this will be your ellipse. This is ellipse. I mean, if ratio is greater than 1, means PS is greater than PM, then this is, height, means this is, hyperbola. Hyperbola. Then this is hyperbola. So in this way, you are observing that the name parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse is nothing but it is the numerical value that decide that whether it is a parabola or whether it is an ellipse or whether it is an hyperbola. Again, I would like to see here. Remember the figure you have taken. This is P, this is S, this is M, this is the origin. So you have written PS upon this perpendicular distance. So PS upon PM, PS upon PM is equal to 1. So I told you that if PS and PM both are equal, if PS and PM both are equal, then you are getting parabola. If PS is less, if E is less than 1, E is less than 1 means PS is lesser and PM is greater, means your this distance is small and this distance is greater. PM is greater, this distance is greater, this is smaller. Suppose this is 20, then PM is 25. So if you divide 20, if you divide 20 by 25, then you see if you are dividing 20 by 25, you are getting less than one value. This will give you, this will be what? This will be less than 1. This will be less than 1. Means if PS is lesser and PM is greater, PS is lesser and PM is greater. In that case, you are finding what? You are finding ellipse, shape of egg, shape of earth. They are elliptical geometrically. And if E is greater than 1, suppose you are reversing the magnitude, means if we are taking PM is equal to 25 and PS is equal to 20, in that case, you can see that this is 25 upon 20 and this is greater than 1. You can see here. If you are dividing 25 by 20, then its value is greater than 1. So this is giving you hyperbola. So if you have to draw any, hyperbola, or if you have to draw any ellipse, or if you have to draw a parabola, then the distance you have to take from the fixed point should be taken as according to that. I hope you have gone through this geometrical representation and this illustration that says something about the concept of parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse, and the value of E, how it plays important role you have seen here. So thank you very much for listening and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot again.